كل فعل يراد به التقرب إلى الله عز وجل وهو خلاف السنة فهو بدعة ضلالة.
How do we fix the attention span? Attend durus and sit through them. Sit through one, sit through two. By the time you reach 15, you'll get used to it. And stop playing with these devices, because they will limit your attention span. They will restrict it, they will limit it, and they will harm you. These devices, all right, yes, there are people who need them for work, or you need them for da'wah. If someone is asking me questions, yes, I have to reply. But I don't use TikTok, I don't use Instagram, I don't use Facebook, all right. From my website, it automatically, you can set it up, automatically shoots it off to X and Facebook. You can automate them, right? And if it doesn't automate, you just go there, you post it, and you leave. Done. Everyone wants to be a TikTok millionaire now. Why? Because they want the views, they want the counts. So if you get the views, you get the counts, you get your percentage, and before you know it, you're getting £200 a week. For what? Taking someone else's material, duplicating it, putting some nasheed in the background and putting it out, and you think you're a TikTok star. Ya ikhwan, focus upon ilm. You want your attention span to increase, sit in the durus and remain patient. Right? Look now the masjid, even fuller than what we started, mashallah. This is how the Salafis should be sitting. This is how the Salafis have been sitting for over 1,000 years. How does 2025 or 1446 change anything? Our method of seeking knowledge, our desire to sit, our desire to take notes, our desire to scratch upon our notebooks. Even if you just write lists rather than whole sentences. So I mentioned Ash'ari, so he mentioned Abul Hasan, just write the name. He mentioned Daraqutni, right? When you go back to it, it will make sense. And as the more that you write, the more that you sit, the more that you pay attention, the more that you bring your children, get them off, get your kids off iPads and get them off iPhones. And, I know kids who can just open up a phone and they go to the app and he's like, at 2 years old, how did he figure that one out? Because that's what we put into their hands. I'm not saying that we're averse to technology. You know that. I'm not averse to technology. Most of my articles is published online. I'm not averse to it. But I am averse to misuse of it and wasting time on it. Barakallahu feekum.